Pierogies is not Canadian, it's European.
European?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because of the name pierogies.
No, but it's Canadian food too, right?
It's not.
약간 다른 거 같지 않아?
How is it?
아닌가?
So good.
That's good.
Okay.